Hi guys, so now I am about to prepare fish curry here. So what I'm gonna do, so while it's getting nice and hot, I'm going to add half tablespoon, or you can say 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. So now I'm gonna wait until I can feel the aroma of these fenugreek seeds. So as you can see, it's nice and getting brown. I have this ginger garlic paste frozen, so I'm gonna add it here. Now I'm going to add half tablespoon of cumin. Now I have 2 medium-sized onion. You can see they're nicely mashed, so I'm gonna add it here. I will just wait until I can see this onion is getting a little bit brown. As you can see, this onion is now getting nice golden brown. This is a very important step, you guys. If you don't do this, if you don't fry these onion paste like very nicely, otherwise you will feel that sweet flavor which we really don't want in our curries. That is why it's really important. It just took me around 10 minutes on a high flame, and I was literally continuously stirring. I was not really taking my eyes off. I was just continuously stirring so that I know what's going on. Now, as I can see, now I'm gonna slow down the flame. Okay. At this point, I'm going to add yogurt. So, as you can see, I have not added any spice. It's just like I'm trying to make sure that every single step is nicely cooked. So now I add this yogurt, and I'm going to make sure this yogurt is nicely cooked as well. Now, as you can see, the oil is separated now, and the water is almost really gone. So what I'm going to do, lower the flame again. Now I'm going to add spices. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 heaped of coriander powder. Mix it well. Look at that. How pretty this looks. As you can see, oil has been separated now, and we haven't overcooked our spices as well. I'm adding salt, like 1 teaspoon, like 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add salt according to your flavors. Okay. So as you can see, it's very dry now. We don't want to burn it. So I have water here. I'm going to add slowly, gradually. I'm going to stir it like this. Look at the color, how beautiful this, and you can see onion, everything is nicely being together. On a very high flame, I'm adding water little by little and keep stirring. Okay, so now I think I'm very happy with my spices and everything. So I'm going to add more water. Like this. Not too much, just a little bit. I'll literally use only 1 cup in this whole process. So as you can see, it's now let this be boiled. Okay, so I can see this is nice and boiled. Let me just lower this flame. The fish I'm using is the boneless fish salmon. I'm gonna place very nicely, separately. So now guys, my fish is in here. I have around 500 grams of fish, nearly half a kilo. So yeah, so this is, you can take any fish you want. I mean, you can use fish with bones, whatever. The procedure is going to be the same, right? Now I'm not going to add any other water. I'm gonna keep it on a medium-low flame and let it get cooked nicely. And one tip I want to give you, whenever you are cooking fish in any way, like curry or in rice or in pasta, I would 100% recommend to just take something like this where you have both the ends, so you can just mix it like this. Don't use your spoon, otherwise this fish is very delicate, you know, and especially if you are using a boneless, it will easily get burnt. So you have to be very careful while this. So on a very medium low heat, I'm gonna cover it. So now what I'm gonna do, gently and ever so slightly, I'm gonna turn these fish like this. Now I'm gonna cover it again for further 5 to 10 minutes. So it's nearly 8 minutes. So I'm gonna check my fish now. Yeah, okay. Now as you can see, it depends how much curry you want, right? I want a little bit more curry, and I'm gonna add more water. Because my fish is ready, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on a high flame to just make a one boil, and I'm gonna wait for only one boil and my fish is done. So now as you can see, the water is nice and boiling. I would say that this much, only half tablespoon, is like nearly like a teaspoon of all spices. Turn off the heat. I have these green chilies. I'm not cutting it, I don't want to make it more spicy, I just want a flavor, so I'm adding it whole. And now I'm going to add some coriander, nicely chopped. Okay, now I'm not stirring it, okay, because I have an electric hob, so this hob will, you know, maintain the temperature while you switch it off. So it will take like 5 minutes or maybe less, 2-3 minutes to calm down the temperature. And now I'm gonna leave it for good nice half an hour. I'm gonna make sure that all the spices, everything blends together. So yeah, I will see you while serving. Okay guys, so now as you can see, I can really touch it. It's quite a bit calmed down now. Now we'll see how it looks like. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so look at that. So delicious. As you can see, it's nice and gravy here, and it smells so good. So yeah, this is my recipe guys. Let me know in the comments below if you like this one or if you have tried it. Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.